Hi there, how are we all doing today? We've got a brilliant product here for review. What I've paid for myself to run with the new lithium batteries. So this is Foxshaw. It's a 12 volt 25 amp battery charger, or 24 volt 15 amp battery charger, large screen display, micro processor controlled, battery repair, reverse tongue twister, reverse polarity protection, short circuit protection, and overcharge protection. So this is a box. We'll get rid of this, but I have used it, so we'll bring it along here, and it's in a fantastic little neat compact package. So we've got it's just as you can see, that's my hand, but it's 25 amps. It's reasonably lightweight. It's like fan assisted as well, and it works actually very well. It's got these nice lugs on the sides, so you can put your crocodile clips when not using either side, so they're away from each other. It did come with a Euro plug, but I've got an adapter, so it doesn't really matter what plugs into the mains. You can get this product from a few places, I think Amazon, AliExpress. If I come across it, I'll put the link in below. I am affiliated with both of them companies, and I might get a few pence if you order them, but this is actually a good product. So what we'll do, it's already plugged in. I've got a lithium battery outside of me here, if you can see. It's a 100 amp hour battery, so we'll connect it. So there's different modes here. So it's on car and boat at the moment. AGM, I'll go through that for the lithium mode there. Repair, so that like if your battery's a bit dodgy, it puts a repair feed into it, so it like pulses different voltages, so hopefully sometimes you can bring it back again. And then you've got a boost button, so straight away a maximum, it'll give it what the most it can give it for a limited of, I think it's 2 minutes, so without it like ramping up, so it goes straight away to full power. But like any other, the battery will slightly gradually go up, so the conditioning of it. So let me tilt it up even more, if you can see. So you've got a rolling display. As you can see, it's giving 4 amps at the moment. Well, and it's 13 volts. The battery condition is, so it is quite high. I know the battery is at the moment. So you've got at top as well the current, so A automatic, and then you can control 20 amps and then 25 amps like that. But of course it won't give you it straight away. As you can see, 3.9 amps, and that's the how much percentage of the battery is. So as you can see, 2 amps, so if you trickle charge, 8 amp auto. So that's a good function. Some batteries, if it's only a small battery, it's best only to, you know, put a 2 amp charge onto it instead of getting it full power. And that, it's reasonable price for the money, but the compactness of it is fantastic. I'll turn it round, and if you can see, it's just one main electric. You've got a fan and then the output cables there. So it's automatically up to 15 amps already. But I know the condition of the battery is quite good at the moment. I've just swapped it for the bigger battery, and I'm going to have to put this one into the my works van. You can see I'll get the app and then have a look on the battery itself and see what it's doing in real life. So this is a Energy battery, so we've got an app here. Just let me make sure, Campo 1, because I've named the batteries. This is Campo 1. So we'll put it onto full power and see what. So we've got, say, 17 degrees at the moment, but we've got unfortunately we've got a low temperature warning on my battery, so it's plus 3 degrees as you can see. So yeah, it's taking charge anyway. We're up to 22 amps. The actual temperature is going up now, so it's letting more ampage in at the moment. The battery is just on its own at the moment, so there's no current coming off it, so it's just saying here at 22 amps, and that's saying 25 amps, but I think it's due to the temperature, it's only allowing the amount in at the moment. But it's a very, like I say, it's a good machine. I'll see if the boost mode does anything. So I'll go along to the boost mode. So that gives you 2 minutes on full power boost. So the clock counts down to say, well, you've got well, 200 seconds of boost without it building up at the moment. But yes, that's a fabulous machine anyway. It's the compactness I like for what you're getting for the value. I hope this were any best benefits for you. Anybody even in the RV or camping or anything. It's such a, like I say, a small battery charger to keep out of way what does a lot instead of a big heavy one. I'll go back onto lithium, just normal lithium now. Fantastic. I've gone back onto 2 amps. I mean 4 amps. As you can see, this has dropped down to 3.5. So there might be a little bit of discrepancy between them both. Or it could be the temperature. But it works fantastic. 25 amps. So I hope that's helped you anyway. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Any comments in below, I'll put the links in below. Thanks a lot.